Hey guys, welcome back to Talk Boom, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own Wikipedia page. So for all you guys and girls out there who wanted to create your own Wikipedia page, this is how it's done. First of all, I need you to go to wikipedia.org, and once you go to wikipedia.org, you're going to see this little weird looking globe that looks like it's been bust up by some type of puzzle or something like that. Of course, they have all these different languages on there, but for this tutorial only, we're going to go with English. So next thing you need to do is you need to click on this little English section right here, and then it should take you to this page here. And once you're on this page right here, in the very top right hand corner, you'll see where it says create an account. Go ahead and click on create an account. Now, this is how you create your account page. Now, in the account page, it's really important that you listen to exactly what I'm telling you right now so you can get this right the very first time. The first thing you want to do is you want to enter a username. Now, entering a username with Wikipedia is not that difficult, but it's not as simple as you think it is because there's certain rules to creating your very own page. And what you need to do is you need to click on help, and that help section will take you to the username policy. And in the username policy, it tells you what you can and you cannot do when creating your Wikipedia page. So you have to read this, and it's pretty much basic. Usernames, not for business, no bad words and stuff like that. And then once you get that done, then you're going to go ahead and then you're going to click back, and then you're going to put in your username. Now, when you're doing a username, you can put in underscores, you can put in your full name, but it's not supposed to be a business name. So you put your whatever name you want to put in here. So I'm going to put in James Brown. Of course, that's not my name. And then I'm going to put in the password. Now, it tells you that if you put a name in that's already selected, then you can't use that name. But if I put a 2 there, it's a different name altogether. Oh, it says it's too similar. So this is another thing, like I said, when it comes to creating a name, they have a user policy, username policy that you need to adhere to. So be very careful when creating your username. So I'm going to take that out of here, and I'm going to put Brown James. Let's see what that does. So I'll click on here, and it says that's too similar. See? It's kind of tricky. So if I put in Mr. Goodbar, I'll put in Mr. Goodbar. Let's see what that does. Oh, it's too similar to. See, what it says is these names right here are names that are very similar to that. So you have to be very careful what you do. But what if I put in 006 mine 23? Well, of course, no one's going to have that name, so that means it's a go name. When this pink little box goes away, then you're good. So then you put in the password here, and then you put in another password here to confirm the first password. Then you put your email address, which is optional, but I would put that in anyway. And then down at the bottom, you would put in this CAPTCHA security check. And then after that, you click on create an account, and voila, you have created your very first and only, what you have right now, Wikipedia page. Remember, this is the free encyclopedia, so it's a great page to have so you can write different things about yourself or other people. And later on, we'll talk about what you can do with this amazing Wikipedia power that you actually have. So thanks again. My name is Cerebro, and I try to make this tutorial as fast as I possibly can so we can get right to the meat of it. Right? So there we go. So now you have your Wikipedia page, and remember, it's free encyclopedia. And now you too have the power. Thanks. I'm out, guys.